again.
Look at your face.
Look at your face.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes, it's night because baby's home. So can you tell it's night? But anyway, you guys, today's video is gonna be short, spicy, cut to the chase. But first, before we get into the video, if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, girl. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Why am I so close up in her face? Subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Something is in my eye. Okay. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Let me do this real quick. So basically today's video is, what is it gonna be about?
Name?
Baby girl's name.
Baby girl's name.
So what we want you guys to do
is to help us
to name her. So I want you guys to comment all the nice names down below. Disclaimer, it doesn't mean that we're gonna use them, but they'll be of a big help to us because
I don't have no idea right now, so
would have to go online and search and whatnot. But since we have you guys, then why not? Yes. You guys can help us name baby girl. So throw out all those sweet baby girl name down below, but also take into consideration that we are in a French country and whatever you give us, it might pronounce differently here in France. So we have to take a lot of things into consideration when we are naming baby girl. And of course, we want to give her an English first name and our middle name, since that she have a French surname. Babe don't want her to have straight French name, just like he didn't want Tella to have straight French name. So we're really looking forward to have some English names. So comment all those nice girls' names down below and we will be putting them together and see what we come up with. So go ahead and leave those comments down below right now of all those baby girl names. On that note, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below all the sweet names. We love you guys and we're looking forward to.
I'm gonna read all of them.
Yes.
Help me.
We're looking forward to seeing all the suggestions that you guys have. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys and back to regular vlog tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.